Alright, so let's see here. Hadassah. Okay, so you have a chemistry story problem about a 5-liter balloon is submerged 5.00 meters under the ocean water, where its new volume is 3.38 liters. Show that the pressure at this depth is 1.48 atmospheres. Use correct number of significant figures. Alright, so here's the trick here. This is a good one because it's having you ask yourself, do I need all this information? And I'll tell you right now, no. The equation you want to use is, I think this is what Boyle's law is, P1 V1 equals P2 V2, where the first pressure is that's the initial pressure for P and the initial volume for V1. Final pressure P2, final volume V2. Alright, so what's P1? I said that the rubber balloon is submerged. So 5-liter balloon is submerged. So it must be 5 liters at sea level. So that must be 1 ATM, 1 atmosphere. And so then what's the volume? Well, it's 5 liters. So we're going to go with V1 equals 5.0 liters. Okay? Now, it says, show that the pressure at this depth is 1.48 atmospheres. So then you go, all right, well, V2 is equal to 3.38 liters. See, where the new volume, so that's the final volume. And so they want us to prove that it's 1.48 atmospheres. And so what we're going to do is we're going to plug them into the equation. So we got 1 times by 5.0, and then we have it equals the final pressure, P2, what we're going to prove is 1.48, times the final volume, which is 3.38. Alright, so 1 times 5 is 5, so 5.0, and we're going to divide by this, 3.38. 3.38. When you're dividing, you see this only has 2 significant figures, so our answer is only going to have 2 significant figures, so equals P2. So I'm going to bring up a calculator. Okay. And let's just move that down. And let's go back here. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now what we need to do is do 5.0 divided by 3.38. Alright, and so that's 1.48. Alright. So it's the same answer. So we're going to say, right here, it's P equal to 1.48 atmospheres. But see, you know when it says use the correct number of significant figures? Well, the actual correct number of significant figures would be 1.5 atmospheres, because that's 5.0 liters and not 5.00 liters. So as you can tell, we never used the 5 meters under the ocean water. Because it says that volume was it. I just put it as that, and because you know the initial pressure and volume, it came out to be 1.48 or 1.5 with significant figures. Hope that helps you out.